Sa number 6, isa kami sa kagprograma ang ginsakdag sa Kapitolyo Provincial kaina para sa nagtaliwan nga si Anay Governor sa Negros Occidental nga si Daniel Bitay Lacson Jr. Gindala ang abo ni Governor Bitay sa Kapitolyo Provincial. Isa kamisa ang naging patigayon sa Social Hall na itabuman sa mga lokal na opisyales ng probinsya sa pagpamuno ni Governor Eugenio Jose Lacson kag Vice Governor Jeffrey Ferrer. Kod ang katapo sa sanggunian panalawigan, mga anay katrabaho sang anay gobernador kag suod ng mga abyan. Ginhatagan sa pagkilala si Governor Bitay isa ka resolution ang ginpasara sa CAPGEM sa pagkilala sa kontribusyon ni Governor Bitay nga founding member kag ginakabig nga amay sang kooperatiba. Ining ginbaton sa asawa nga si Tima. Gin-turnover man sa SP ang resolution nga nag-extend sa condolences sa pamilya Lacson. Sa programa, ginhatagan sa tribute si Governor Bitay na nagserbe gobernador sa probinsya matapos gin-appoint ni Anay Presidente Corazon Aquino kag pagkaligad man sa EDSA kag nagpupuman bilang elected governor sa isa ka termino. Gindumdum ni Anay Governor Rafael Lito Coscuela nga successor ni Bitay ang ilang pag-updanay kung paano magtrabaho ang abyan sa ginakabig mentor para malabot man ang mga tinutuyo sa probinsya. Ginsilingman ni Anay Senador Sergius Menia nga sa hindi niya malipatan kay Governor Bitay among iyang concern para sa mga pigado.
Governor Bitay had this remarkable ability to inspire and persuade. He was charismatic even when change seemed daunting. He understood the challenges we face and guided us with both wisdom and conviction, encouraging us to embrace new opportunities. His leadership was truly transformative.
I remember Bitay most because of our Negros Business Forum days. Bitay was the original Dakilang Miron. He always talked about what was wrong with, what was going on in the country then. But he never stopped at, just talking about what was wrong, complaining, etc. He always went on to discuss with us ano ang pwede na himo. And that was essentially the focus of the Negros Business Forum. Ginalahugan kami sa anong mga asawa, tinasolban niya ng problema ng bilog kalibutan. We were like that. And Bitay was at the forefront. He was always talking about what we could do for Negros.
When he was out of politics, out of finished governorship, and he was in the government on and off in Manila, he was always still concerned about the poor. And it didn't matter what job he had, whether it was GSIS or this or that. He was always concerned about the poor. So that's what I admire most about him up to the day he died.